Hi everybody, it's November the 30th, 2022. Vlogmas starts tomorrow, but I just thought I'd let you see a little bit of what I'm doing in preparation. So that little introduction was about the Jackie Lawson Advent Calendar, which I have paid for and downloaded. If you'd like to have your own, and basically what you can do is you can it's emailed to you. You pay, I think it's something like £7.50. Each day you can open a page, and I'll put the link here so you can go to it and you can purchase your own Advent calendar, and you can buy more and email them to relatives and friends. And we've got his lordship who's just come through the door. One hand, one arm, one da 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 Parlez-vous, da 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 Parlez-vous. I don't know what it's come to tell me. So is this private conversation going?
No, it's to do with work. It's to do with work.
I'll stop. So I'll continue there. The Jackie Lawson calendar is each day when you open it, there's a little scene, and there are also little games and things you can play, jigsaws and other things you can do on your computer. It's a really good one. I tend to send one to my grandkids. Whether they open them or not, I don't know. But it's nice to send to maybe family members as well if you want to get them to partake. It's a good little present for other people, for the family members to have. So you can email more to other people. You have to pay extra. I can't remember how much you've got to pay, but you pay a little bit extra and you send them to family members if you want to. And each day there's a scene, there are some there's things you can do, there's some games, and it's really, really good advent calendar. So that is going to be part of my Vlogmas 2022. So I'm going to stop there and I'll let you catch up with everything tomorrow, December the 1st, 2022. See you tomorrow. Bye.